2018, I remember you. Up until the pandemic, I think nung pandemic, hindi ka pa nagpapakita ng... Hindi pa masyado. When did you decide that, wait lang, I'm gonna put a face on Hoop Junkie? And ano yung thought process behind that?
Yeah, so back in 2018 to 2021, hindi ko pinapakita yung mukha ko eh. So, inisip ko like, hindi naman ako talaga yung bida dito. So, I was there to feature players, ganyan. And noong 2022, there was a press conference for Kai Sotto. And kailangan mag-on cam kami dun. And kasama ko dun mga people from the media, people who I talked to sa traditional media.
I think I remember that as well.
And like, yun, pinakita ko yung mukha ko and sobrang nagulat sila lahat. Oh, siya pala si Hoop Junkie, ganyan. So, yeah, that's where I first showed my face.
Siguro because you were at an event din, no? So you really gotta put something.
And pag may mga event, like sa Nike, like sinasabi ko, okay lang, di na ako pupunta. Pag ini-invite nila ako sa events before kasi hindi ko pinapakita yung mukha ko. So, yun, nag-start na akong lumabas sa events after the pandemic na. Yeah.
Meron bang sense of relief, parang ganyan, na hindi na siya dalawang tao? Parang, ako na yon, ako si Pat, ako si Hoop Junkie.
To be honest, parang result lang siya nung pandemic kung bakit ko pinakita yung face ko. Siguro pag hindi nangyari yun, like, it would still be the same. Pero I was thankful that happened kasi it opened opportunities na din for me. Like, I was able to meet NBA players, di ba?
And us too.
Yeah.
I mean, no, not you meeting us, but I personally would love to have a face dun sa Hoop Junkie because we were talking na even before I got to know you and meet you in person, di ba?
Yeah, we were chatting.
We were chatting a bit. And for sure, si Eric, I've
definitely.
seen you
when
also.
We met at the TikTok event.
Yes.
The basketball TikTok event.
Don't worry, hindi ko naman sinabi na pati kami para ma-meet mo kami. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-feeling.
Hindi kailangang clutch ang panunood. Head on over to Clutch Talks on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts for the full episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe on Clutch Talk social na rin para hindi mahuli sa Usapang Clutch.